This is a brand new resort for me. Hey, it's Andrew, Park Rovers, and we are here at Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort. Let's check out a studio with a preferred view. So this is room 7840 on the 8th floor. Right by the door is this large mirror, and I imagine this is a door to an adjacent one-bedroom villa. So if you booked a two-bedroom lock-off, you might have access to that room as well. Here's the sliding door to the bathroom. So you have the shower, the toilet, and a sink area. Take a look at the sink area here. So you've got your Disney body lotion and soap. You have a hairdryer up here. I like these shelves. Extra facial tissue, you got facial tissue down there, and some washcloths. Cool. Nice mirror and some storage space down below. Wastebasket. I think this is all artwork from Joey Chu throughout the room. Very nice. Here's the shower. You have a note about conservation right here. And of course you've got the Sea Marine shampoo, conditioner, and sea salt body wash. And you have a handheld unit as well as an overhead. Here's the clothesline. Put your swimsuit on there. So that's the bathroom. Now we're gonna check out the kitchenette. I love the tile work here and the photos of Walt Disney World's construction with Roy O. Disney. Looks like a monorail beam. There they are, exploring the swamp that will become Walt Disney World. So on the left here, you have a microwave, a Whirlpool microwave. And oh, you actually have real glasses here and coffee mugs. And above the microwave is just some storage space. And to the right of it, you have some, looks like some paper plates and some paper coffee mugs, as well as a toaster, a Cuisinart toaster. Cool. Let's see, on the countertops, you do have the Ecos hand dish soap with a sponge. Have a little sink here, paper towels, and your ice bucket. Then there's this here on the right. Whoa, cool, you could really, wow, that's awesome. So you have a lot of storage space here. If you're gonna be here for a bit, you can put some pantry items here. I did not expect that. Let's see, below the countertops you have your fridge. Put some stuff in there already. And you have some drawers. Oh, can opener, bottle opener, wine opener. This thing, what is this? Oh, coffee measure, wow, cool. And then some plastic silverware. Extra soap for washing dishes. Oh, you have your dish rack here, drying rack here. And extra paper towels. On the right side, have more of that tile. I love the lamps here too. Then you have your Keurig, full-size Keurig, and you have the pods as well. And they give you, the resort blend and the K-Cups. You will have Joffrey's decaf, the resort blend, and some Twinings tea, and some Delights, and some Twinings tea bags as well for green tea and English breakfast, and of course some sugar and sweet and low. Nice. And below that, some storage space, then your trash and recycling. So that's a look at the kitchenette. Now let's take a look at the closet. You have an extra pillow and blanket at the top of the closet. Your ironing board is here against the wall. A lot of clothes hangers. We hung up some stuff, including my backpack. And down below, you have your luggage rack and the safe on a little pedestal. That's kind of cool. So that's the closet. Now moving on to the main room, here, the bedroom. So you have a queen size bed here, more of that Joey Chu artwork on the wall. Love these lamps. You also have the reading lights that kind of pull out here on either side. Here's the phone, and then you have some storage space down below and some plugs as well. Also have USB-C and USB outlets right there. Then on the other side, I think you have the same thing. Yep. Cool, so you have this nice lamp, the reading lights, same plugs, and some storage space, and an extra outlet too. Cool. Nice pillow there on the bed. I like the Mary Blair artwork here. Is there a goat, a 5-legged goat? Yes! Hey! Awesome, I love that. So right across from the bed you have the TV and this mirror here. And I think you just have a lot of storage space. Oh, the Gideons have been in here, but the rest should be empty. Yep. Nice. Here's your take-along guide to the magic. We're celebrating fall fun right now. Here's another drawer with some storage space. And you have another trash bin and a little stool you can pull out right by the mirror. And you do have some extra outlets here, including USB and USB-C, right on this tabletop. Nice bench here as well. Cool. Next to the bed is your couch and Murphy bed with more Joey Chu artwork. And you do have this little ottoman, which you can slide out of the way. And I'm gonna do that so I can bring down the bed. And I'm sure there's some artwork behind the bed as well. So this ottoman just slid right out of the way, and there are instructions here on how to lower the bed. I've done this a few times here at Walt Disney World, so I think I'm a pro, and I think I can just do this with one hand. So let's try it. Oh yeah, there's the castle, Cinderella's castle, and more of that Joey Chu artwork. So I think this is also, yeah, it looks to be a queen-size bed as well. And you have more outlets inside. I think you have to put the bed all the way down to activate the lights, yeah. So the backlights don't come on until the bed is fully down, and then you can control them with the switch here. Cool. And now it's time for the best part of the room, which is checking out the patio here. You have 2 chairs and a table and a fantastic view. It's a bit cloudy today, but you can see the Contemporary right over there, and here's the walkway. And here you can see the pool back there, the garden wing. Looks like the Swan and Dolphin back there. Here's the marina. And right across the way you can see the construction of another DVC resort over by Fort Wilderness. And this is Bay Lake right here. Just an awesome view. You have a little beach area here. This is really cool. So that's all from Bay Lake Tower. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Park Rovers, and we'll see you next time.